National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ulster County and east central New York until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Medina, or 6 miles south of New Paltz, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Utrecht by 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US. Nation Owl Weather Service.albany.gov. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for northern Connecticut and western Massachusetts and eastern New York and southern Vermont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ulster County, New York. Tornado watch.